A grocery store called Giant Eagle Organic Apples by Viva Tierra. Every one of them is funny. There was one that was all black yesterday. I didn't notice it when I pulled them out of the thing, thinking, oh, they're organic. They have to be nutritious. Every one of them has some kind of marks on them. I don't know what this thing is. I can't even get that to film on securely, just for people to be able to see that. I don't know if there's something underneath there, and I don't want to find out. See if I can zoom in if it stays focused. No. Huh. I don't know, but this looks gross to me. This. No. I have to throw these out. I'm not going to cut it open and see what that is. I don't want to know. It may be nothing. That's showing up. There's the day that was bought. There is the, what's it called? Gala Apple $7.99. I don't know if it's showing up clear. It doesn't seem to be showing up clear looking at it through the phone. There's like something sticking out of that. I mean, I don't know. It's like poison apples. I'm not driving all the way back out there to return them either. Huh. Buyer beware. Okay, my curiosity got the better of me, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to cut that open to see what that is. I mean, it could be nothing. Looks like somebody's I don't know, injected something into it, and there's something sticking out right there. I don't know. There, that's better. So I put the light on the phone, so now it's. Quickly, I'm gonna do this. There's one thing. Do that. If the phone will hold like this, I don't want the phone to fall into the sink. Knife. There's nothing noticeable, at least not right there, unless I cut underneath it. I don't know if I'm getting enough light in here to show this correctly. So I'll get the curtain open a little bit. There's some natural light. Where'd it go? I don't know, that looked like it was the tail or something. I can't tell. It doesn't look like there's anything in this. I've got the whole thing straight down. These look okay. There's where that mark was up there. Not noticing anything. Up there, I didn't realize the camera wasn't on it. That's part where the point of the knife is. I don't know, but I know one thing. It's going in the garbage, and the rest of them are too. Let's return them. Well, I figured, you know, if I post this on YouTube, people say, you should have cut it open. You should have cut it open. You should have seen what it was. It looked like there'd be something in there. I mean, it really did. I thought something was burrowed underneath it. Well, apparently not, but I haven't seen an apple like that before. Who knows? It could have still had something injected into it. Who knows? The end. Oh, I guess. Finn.